Hey everyone, how are you? Today I wanted to hop on real quick and tell you about the Peach Bite palette. I wanted to show you how many ways you can use this palette. You can use it for contour, you can use it for your eyes, your eyebrows. So I already have my foundation on, and really all I need would be this palette, something for my lips, and my mascara. So let me show you. Using this darker color right here, I'm going to contour. And that it's just a very easy, everyday color. And that's what I love about it, is that it's just something I can use every day. And then I just put some up here. And it's very minimal, so it doesn't look, you don't look super made up. It's very mild, so I love that it is just something I can use every day. And I like to go down my nose because my nose is a little bit wide, so I do narrow it up a little bit, give it a little bit of shape. And then you can also use this for your eyebrows. And it has a nice mirror there too. It's a little dirty, but so I just go in with that dark color there. And it's just for like an easy look. Nothing, I'm not doing anything fancy today, just adding some color to my face, protecting my skin. But see how much it just super easy, and it's just one palette. That's all you need. So if you just like an easy get up and go kind of look, that's what it looks like. I'll do the other brow. And it's just, I love the colors. I love the pigments of this. There you go. That's all you need. And then for your eyes, this again, so what I like to do is mix the dark color and the blush color, just pop them in both, and I just put it outside and just blend it into my crease. Well, right above my crease, because I have hooded eyes. And that's just the two colors mixed together. And it just gives a real pretty, natural look. You don't have to do anything super fancy for every day. And then I go in with a little bit of a stiffer brush, and you don't have to, you can use the same brush. And I go into this dark color, and I just pop it into this corner right here to deepen that up, right like that. Just deepen up that corner. And then with this same brush, I come just on the tip and I bring it underneath. Right like that. And see, it just gives you some depth to your eyes and a beautiful color. And then I just dip my finger into the highlight powder and just put it on my lid. And it's a very beautiful, warm powder. And I put it right in that corner of my eye. And this is like an everyday look for me. Super simple, right like that. So all you need is one palette and your foundation, a lip, and a mascara. Super simple, super easy, and also has a highlighter if you want to do a highlighter. I normally don't do a highlighter, but you can use the highlighter. And just pop it right on there. And just give your cheekbones a little bit of highlight. Oh, and the blush. I love this color blush. It's a super neutral color blush. And I like to put my blush right up here and bring it up just so that I can have more of a lifting appearance to my face. And I blend it in with my contour. And it's just a beautiful peach color. See that color? It's just so gorgeous. But I just wanted to show you that today. This is a very versatile palette. It's called the Peach Bite Palette. If you have any questions, message me. I hope you have a great day. Bye.